Hello, I'm coming to say this video that's about to play is old because I bought the camera like I want to say 2018, and I really wanted to like take some pictures and see how good the camera would be so I can do what I have to do because I'm a fashion designer, so I don't want to take pictures and I want to start vlogging and stuff like that, but I want a good camera. But went on eBay, thought that was a good, because I researched it and I thought that what YouTube said, that the camera would be decent. I didn't expect like great, but I thought I'd be able to use it. But even when I got it, I was still using my Android phone camera. Just recently I got an iPad that I edit my videos on, but before that I was edited on the Power, y'all know what I'm talking about, that, and then did the extra step of the iMovie and doing all that and extra stuff. So now that I get to edit on the iPad, it's much easier. The iMovie, sorry, it's much easier, but please don't waste your money, I say again, and get that camera. I would say even if you're just starting to come up and you wanted to make videos, don't do it. Don't do it. I look a mess right now, but I'm just coming on here to tell y'all, don't waste your money. And with that camera, we got a little book in the eye. Don't waste your money and get the camera. Don't waste your money and get that camera. You might as well, if you have a phone, just use your phone. Use whatever you have. Use your tablet, your computer. Use that. You already have it. Don't waste money getting that specific camera that you see, because I know there's these videos on here, because I was watching videos on here because I was trying to find a camera that was affordable but won't break my pockets. But I see that I will just have to invest into a good camera. And right now my channel ain't popping like that. I have viewers and I have subscribers, but I'm not making money yet from YouTube, so I can't really, say I'm gonna do. So right now, as we speaking, it's my job that I'm working in. I do fashion shows and stuff like that, because I'm not even right now getting money from my fashion. So I don't have the money right now, but when I do invest in a great camera, my thing will be popping. Trust me. People say, oh, it's not, but it's visually appealing to people's eyes, what pull them in and drag them into what you want them to see. So even though you want to do what you want to do, it has to be visually pleasing to others for them to want what you're doing, or want to invest in what you're doing. So take the time to do that. I will say that. Bye guys, talk to you later. What names y'all want to be subscribers? Yeah, that's one thing. They come up with a name and a good intro and all that good stuff. But right, I'm still learning YouTube, So bear with me, people. Bear with me. Bye. Hello. Don't mind all of this. I just came on here to do a quick unboxing of this camera I want to use. Came with this stand. Just like that. This moves in all types of ways. Yes. I love it. A little crema. So I don't drop. I just done. No. That's how. Make a cute little pouch.
I'm gonna start fucking on this.
What's this? Oh, the cameras. Pretty cool. Nice. Put you back right in your couch. Ain't happening. Okay. Plug in to charge. The hand is going to pull over the camera.
Last but not least, the camera.
The camera. I don't know how good it works, but we gonna find out today when I go work out. We gonna find out today. Well, if I got batteries, we gonna find out today. I have a camera. Can you look that? Well, I had one before, and apparently the camera got legs. It was a bigger one, digital one, or that rah-rah. And obviously it got legs and walked away. Don't get this camera. I was so disappointed when I found out like I wasted my money because it doesn't do what I needed to do. I wanted to take some pictures of my fashion and I have some at the end. I actually had to get a photographer because the camera, I don't want to call it garbage, but it doesn't do what I needed to do, and it's a waste of my time and on my money. Don't get it, don't waste your time. These are the products I really wanted to take a picture of that I had to hire someone to do, but the camera was no, don't